Right, hello Edshed viewers. We have been working, it's just Lee's been on holiday, so videos have been a bit sparse, but the work's still been continuing in the Edshed, single-handedly, I might add. Front suspension beam, look at that little puppy. No, it's not for the Mark 1. The Mark 1 one is coming on, and some parts of it are up here, but I just can't get it down off the shelf on my own. I thought a broken hip would not help, so I wouldn't use it. So I got this one down. So this has all been cleaned up, all ready to go. There's no playing that, that's it. They've had all new bushes. Now those bushes, the original rubber ones, but the tops have got neoprenes. And the other one's going to get lower neoprenes and possibly rubber uppers. So, you know, that's just what I've got. So we'll see. Anyway, walking swiftly this way. We remember, time's precious, waste it wisely. That's what I've been doing in bed. This is the door channel. Got the door channel, ready to do the door channels. We already reconned that, as you well know, so that's ready to go. Nuts and bolts will be de-rusted in the de-ruster, and they're all ready. Door frames are over there sitting waiting, and obviously, as you were well aware, the back door was done. Lee is just deciding to come over, and he's helping to de-rust. Say hello. Say hello to your viewers.
Hello viewers.
And he's de-rusting. Yeah, he's de-rusting. Look, this has all been stripped and taken off, ready. Now, as you can see, it sticks like something to a blanket. So I've done most of it by hand. Lee's done a little bit by hand. He's realising just how much I did on my own. I hope. If you look under the wings and under the bonnet, you'll realise why I'm fed up, why I'm disillusioned. And you will then realise also that it's starting to come together. Knocked a few dents out, did a few bits and pieces, and also have invested in something. Now, I'm going to go and find it for you guys because I don't know where it is. Oh, if one of you guys have ever had problems like this, captive nut round off in the bonnet. Yeah, that's got to be fixed. Don't worry, we'll find a way. We're going to use one of these doors. I decided on that because I'm not going to try and repair it. Well, I might do. Well, we'll see how I feel. Those doors done nothing with more than we fitted them. They open and close. And this side I hadn't even attempted because I'm not going. Calipers are still solid, still can't move the car. So that's that problem. Walking down hurriedly past the jig, which should have been on Fleabay months ago, but it obviously never made it. It could have been gone and I could have had some money, but that's not happened. But I have invested in some of this. Now, I don't know whether you guys have heard of this, but I'm going to give it a go. I've read up a lot about it, and I think it might be alright for our old crap that stood up. So I've given all my favourites, well actually I bought a few bottles, but I need to buy some more bottles, but all my favourites that have been stood with E5 fuel in have actually had some put in. So that's those two and two in the other shed. So that's it. She's had E10 in her and ran quite alright, but hey, we'll see. But other than that, we've not really done much else. Sun visor brackets have been repaired, ready to be reinstalled, because the wind noise drives you at the wall. What else? But other than that, no, it's just a quick sort of inroad into nice new tyres, huh? But no, nothing else much done. Just been really just trying to get this thing. I want to get this thing down on its wheels and get it out of my shed. But as you can see, nothing else happened. So that's just a quick one for you guys. If you're interested, just remember things altered direct down here. Things change pretty quick around here. So hopefully, once this thing gets its suspension back in, it'll be out. And then we can start on maybe doing a cacathon on all the doors, on all the cars. I'm going to do the two Mark 1s at the same Mark 2s at the same time. my plan. And I'm going to get my Aston Martin here and do the rear brakes. And then the roof. Or maybe the roof. I don't know. Look at that sky. Yeah. Anyway, so, as I said, that's it for now. Just thought I'd keep you up to speed on all the dreams that you had. Oh, shock absorbers are absolutely shot. One is shot, the other's alright, but I can't find another one, so I'm going to have to assume that the shocks are shot. The shock absorbers are shot, Lee. Did you know that? Yeah, well they are. They both been their shock. They're shot. So that was something else that needed to go on Schindler's. But yeah, so we're hoping to get some paint on it today. Red Oxide under the wheel arches and maybe stone chip underneath the bonnet. But we'll see. Anyway, talk to you soon, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, keep following us about, and keep watching, because we are trying to get stuff cleared, ready for... and I'll let you know a secret. I bought 20 flappet discs. I bought a load of cut-off wheels, real thin ones, from that tool shop. I don't know. They seem to work all right. They're the ones I use anyway. I bought a gallon of rust killer, like rust killer converter. So that should be some clues as to possibly what direction we're heading in next. And if you don't get it, I bought the Titanic! Anyway.
Pick any car, and that could be the direction.
They're not all that rusty, sort of thing. Alright, I've been talked into rebuilding the E3. And if you know what the E3 is, you'll laugh, because I don't think even Roy Castle could say that one. Talk to you soon, bye.